So your dishwasher's not working. This is going to be a quick, easy, no BS way how to clean out the filter. Mine's not spraying anywhere. It's leaving the dishes with like nasty residue on them. That's from top shelf. And this is bottom shelf. So to start out, you got to take this, spin this thing, loosen that. Pop this stuff off. There's going to be a screw with the Phillips screwdriver right here and one up top. You got to take those out. Then there's going to be these ones with the star head. There's going to be one right here, here, and here. So you're going to undo those ones, and then with this whole thing, you shift that, this whole part will come off. Set that aside, and now you've got this, and you can get to this screw which you need to. Now when you pull this up, look at that. That's really bad. What do we have in here? Yeah, that's where all my stuff is. So I need to put the phone down real quick and clean this out, and I'll get back to my video. Alright, so in addition, there's going to be another little screw right there that you're going to take out. It's going to be another star head. I actually kind of take mine out with needle nose pliers because it was so corroded I couldn't get to it. But then you'll take this thing off, and that's what's going to like chop all the debris and everything. As you can see, it's just was a mess in there. I've been cleaning it out for a little bit. Here's some of the stuff that I found inside of there. I mean, there's a lot more in the trash can. Also, there'll be a little slot right here. Let's see. This piece right here came out of this little slot right there. Take that thing out and clean it. That's like the little flapper to let dirty water go out. I'm going to clean all this out and then get back to the video and the assembly. So I'm getting it all put back together. Another little tip is kind of take this thing and pull upwards. Don't let it push down, otherwise it'll be hard to put the spindle thingy sprayer on. Yeah, I'm going to put it back together and then see how it works, see if that fixed the problem, and get back to it. So the dishwasher is working great now, probably better than it ever has since I bought it. I mean, the dishes are coming out way cleaner. I didn't get too in-depth in the video because I hate it when people start talking about their dog and everything during the video, but if you have any other questions, feel free to message me on YouTube, and I'll see if I can't field those questions. Thanks for watching.